In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently and effectively transfer records in Salesforce using the Mass Transfer Records feature. Whether you're an administrator trying to streamline data management or simply dealing with day-to-day changes in job roles and responsibilities, this process is your go-to for simplifying record transfers. We'll start by navigating to the Setup area in Salesforce. Go ahead and locate the Settings gear icon sitting comfortably in the upper right corner of your screen. Give it a click, and a menu will unfold. From this menu, you'll want to choose Open Advanced Setup. This is where all the magic begins. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup, let's find the option known as Mass Transfer Records. To do this quickly, head over to the Quick Find box, a handy tool to search for exactly what you need without scrolling endlessly. In that search bar, type Mass Transfer Records, and you'll see the option pop up almost instantly. Click on it and we'll move to the next step. Once you're on the mass transfer page, it's time to choose the object you wish to transfer records for. Here, you have a range of options such as leads, accounts, or contacts. Note, however, that certain objects like opportunities and cases may not be available for mass transfer through this feature, as they require different handling. Moving forward, we need to specify some essential parameters to ensure the records are transferred correctly. First, you'll need to enter the user's name from whom the records are currently associated. Next, enter the user's name to whom the records will be transferred. These fields ensure that records are routed accurately from one user profile to another. To refine your search, you can optionally apply filters to the process. For instance, if you want to transfer only those leads that are based in California, you can add a filter specifying that criteria. This targeted approach is particularly helpful in managing records with precision. Once you've set the users and filters, the next crucial step is to transfer the records themselves. Click the Find button to generate a list based on your specified criteria. This brings up all the records that match your earlier choices. From this list, you can select the individual records you wish to move forward with. When you're satisfied with your selection, hit the Transfer button. With that simple action, the records will be shifted from the original user to the new designated user swiftly and seamlessly. And there you have it. By following this streamlined process, you'll find transferring records in Salesforce can be not only efficient, but also incredibly effective in managing changes within your organization. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, keep exploring the fantastic tools Salesforce has to offer.